Hey everyone, it's Ash from Creative Mending, and today I get to unbox this Snapstar Yuki doll. I saw somebody post this doll in one of the groups that I'm in, and I just thought she was so cute. So at my last grocery store trip, I decided to seek her out, and I found her. There are some other dolls you can buy in the line, and I did really want to buy Echo based off of her little picture, but when you really look at them closely, some of them you could still see the wig line, like the little plastic piece from the wig caps, and it just seemed like the quality of the clothing is really similar to that of like the Dollar Tree type stores. And I felt like Yuki had some of the better overall quality, both the doll and the clothes. The only other doll I had trouble choosing between was Dawn or Yuki, and I did choose Yuki since she was the original one that I saw that made me even want to buy the doll to begin with. Something really cool about these dolls that I didn't even know until I went to buy it actually was that they come with a green screen wall apparently, and like a little stand, and there's an app where you can take pictures of your doll and load it in and actually modify the makeup and the hair and I don't know. I haven't messed with it yet, so I don't know what the limitations are, but I thought that that was so cool because right now getting into doll customization is very popular. And there are young kids who are so talented, and I figured this would be a really cool gateway for helping your children explore their creativity and, you know, without all the complications of the chemicals and stuff like that, and, you know, until they're of an age where they can start researching all those different things. And so, yeah, I think this is really cool. Even though I haven't messed with it yet, I bet it's pretty awesome. And I am ready to just jump straight into the fun part, which is actually getting to open her. It was so hard waiting this whole time so I could shoot the video before I could open her, because I really wanted to open her in the car. And yeah, I should show the little side panel. This is really cute. I'm definitely going to keep this illustration. I think it's so nice. I don't know if I'll keep her whole box, but definitely these little side illustrations here. I have scissors. You would think I would just use the scissors. There's something fun about just peeling back the sticker if you can though. So it's nice that they come off pretty easily. Okay, I won't make you guys go through that with me. Oh wait. Okay, just make this easy. There we go. Oh, she's so cute. I can't wait. Okay, cool. So there's this information panel on the inside. Customize and become the next Snapstar. There's hair, clothes that are sold separately, and then the makeup. Download your app to customize. The background, download app to customize, and then share. So that's really cool. I was really attracted to the sort of proportions on these dolls. I feel like they will hopefully be able to stand by themselves, but you really can't tell until you get in here and start moving around the plastic a little bit. So we'll see how that pans out. Oh, okay. I don't want to break anything. Oh, fun! This is like my favorite color, lime green, and that's what color her stand is. Oh, wow. Okay, so this stand actually looks really similar to the sort of like Figma character stands that you get. I'll look at that in a second. I'm assuming, okay, I just realized something. I'm assuming it's that color so that it blends in easily with the green backdrop. I don't know, maybe they're all green, but still, that's exciting. I love that color. So here's her little purse. It's a more rigid plastic, so it looks like it'll just kind of like dangle off of there, and she's got a little phone that I'm hesitating to pull out of there since I don't want to lose it anywhere, so I'm just going to leave it there. Okay, so she's attached at the neck here. We'll take a look at the back. Okay. There we go. That was pretty easy. Oh, her hair is really soft. take out her little phone. Oh, cool. It has like a little strap type thing. You can just maybe pop it on her hand or something. Oh, yay, look. Ring, ring. Yeah. Okay, sorry. That's cute. I like the little phone. I wasn't too excited about it being an accessory when I was first buying the doll, but yeah, it's actually pretty cute. Like how it actually stays on there. Okay, so her head is pretty heavy, and she's got her little headband, which is a more sort of flexible plastic than the purse happens to be. And then let's take a look at the wig, because I was actually really curious about these because of the wigs. I thought it was really fun that they have it to where you can sort of get new ones and stuff. And so let's take, oh, she's so cute even without her wig. It's a lot like a Liv doll, if you've ever seen those. Live Liv, I don't know how that's pronounced actually. I've never had one before, but I've seen pictures of them before, and that's kind of what this reminds me of. I do love her clothes. Like I said, it's not the best material, but she specifically, her little jacket and stuff, yeah, the shirt feels really nice, actually. It's a really nice thick material, and the jacket feels like, yeah, no, I actually really like her clothes specifically. Some of them had dresses, and the dresses were just kind of, I don't know, I couldn't tell through the packaging. They just didn't seem like they'd be resistant to a lot of wear and tear. So let's see if I can get her wig back on there. Oh yeah, that's nice and easy to pop back on. It's nice when you don't have to struggle too much. Her eyes look really cool. I kind of want to try and figure out a way to eventually replace the eyes. Let's see if I can get her headband back on there. Yeah, she's really cute. Aww. Let's see if she can stand on her own. It's not the best angle for you guys, but I'm just curious on. I'm wondering if I can. Why don't I set up her little stand, and then I can just take another shot, because she is actually standing up by herself, which is really fun. It's nice when they stand up on their own. Let's see if I can get her backdrop. That way I can show from a different angle and it won't look too weird. Let's see. Maybe I should cover this in the video because this looks complicated to me. I'm sure it's not though. Let's see. So this is sort of like the backdrop. Maybe I should look at the picture of it. Okay. So it's got this nice little nifty picture, and I'm sure it has very useful information. Unfold green screen photo wall. Okay, yes, there is information about how to do this. Oh, wait. I don't understand. Oh, that's why I've not unfolded the top piece yet. Okay. So there's like this whole upper piece, and then it looks like it should just pop into place magically here. So when your child figures this out quicker than I do, give them a nice pat on the back, because it's not as easy as it would appear. Okay, yeah, here you go. Maybe I should edit the video to where this is a faster process. No, it'll be fine. Okay, there we go. And then I guess this whole piece is sort of, you want to bend these creases that are actually bent in the other direction. Oh, I see. It pops into place quite well, actually. I don't know if this is supposed to come down or just kind of like stay like that. Okay. Yeah. Let's see if So let's see if she'll just stand on something rigid. Probably not so much. She's trying. Oh yeah, no, she's doing good. Okay, so I don't have the most sophisticated setup, but I was hoping that this angle will translate really well so I can show that she does actually stand by herself. I've sort of propped the cardboard green screen on something else, but I just wanted to show if I can manage to get it fully in the shot here, that she is actually quite stable on her own. She can hold like a simple little pose. Let's see if we can. I haven't messed around much with the Oh wow, yeah, they can do some really cute little poses. Let's see if she'll hold that one. I'd like to think she will. She's done pretty good so far. Yeah, how cute. The arms on here. Now we do have some staining from the clothing. That'll happen sometimes. So let's throw that one out there too. But yeah, I can't. I'm kind of scared to take the jacket off. I do want to show the little arm joint here. It's actually capable of some really cool stuff. Yeah, I like the articulation on the arms, and she's got just the articulation in her thighs, and then the articulation in her knees. And on the feet, there are some little joints in there on the feet too. I don't really want to take the shoes off because I'm sure it'll be a struggle for me to get them back on. So let's see here. We can just make her do something kind of like, not much on the neck joint, but there's a little bit of give there. Let's see if she'll hold that pose. It might be a little bit too heavy in the back there. You can do it. I have faith in you. You can do it. She's doing it! Yay! Let's see if she'll hold it while I get her stand put together really quick. Just to show it. Okay. So I'm thinking this bigger peg goes in the bottom here. And then this must hook somewhere. I don't know why I thought maybe it was in her posterior area. Let's see. What do our directions tell us? Oh, in the back of her neck. I don't know if, let's see if I can show you guys. Right there. Looks like it goes in the back of her neck. So maybe if I pull, oh, yep, there it is. So we've got that little shape. That's cool. I've never really seen a doll with a stand like that. I like it because it's kind of annoying when you have these really cute clothes and you have to put the stands that cinch the waist and it changes the clothing shape. So, oh, this is cool. I really like this design for $15. That's really creative and fun. And I like the hand shapes too. The hand shape's really pretty. Oh no, I pulled her neck thing out. Hold on, let's put that back. Maybe I should do all the difficult posing first. I'm not the most gentile when I'm posing my dolls. Let's see if I can get that back in there. Oh, there we go. You have to like really push it, and now I don't think that's gonna fall again, which is good. That's awesome. Oh, her eyes are actually really pretty now that I'm getting the light on them. I don't even think I would want to replace those. Oh, look at her. She can do all sorts of fun little poses. Oh my gosh, why would she do that? I don't know, but she can. Yeah, I really like this doll. I'm so glad that I decided to buy her. Alright, so yeah, this was unboxing the Yuki Snapstar doll. And I'm thinking I'm going to play around with the app a little bit. Maybe I can try and record the video for that and put that all together into this final video. I don't know, but as far as the physical doll goes, I think that they're worth the 15 bucks. Just take a good look at the clothing on them and the quality and decide for yourself, and the wig, decide for yourself. And like it says, you know, you can buy more stuff in terms of wig and clothing anyways. So I'll have to look at that information online too and see if I can get some more cool stuff for her. I really like the outfit that Dawn has. It'd be so cool if I could buy like just the Dawn outfit. Alright, so I'm going to try and show you how to use the Snapstar Studio app. You just download it from your app store, and then this is what the screen looks like. You can check out their how-tos. It kind of gives some really cool advice on taking pictures of dolls and stuff actually. And then you can click here to the photo studio, and there's my little doll. And you just use this little camera icon. I've found that the easiest way for me to check my background is to actually select it first. So I think I'm gonna do the background I saw earlier that looked really cute. This one looks really cute. Alright, cool. So there's the background. And I'm gonna try and get I'm not the best with lighting, so forgive me if this just looks really awful to the professionals out there, but you really just kind of adjust your light. And then you can snap your picture. I'm thinking that looks okay. No, that looks awful. Let's try again. Retake. That looks a little bit better. And now we can play around with the makeup a little bit. You can change her lip color. And you can mess around with eyeliner a little bit. And I think I'm gonna unlock this really fancy looking one. There we go, that's cool. You can put some blush on there. I think I like this one. And you can give yourself some new eyelashes. I already unlocked some I really liked. I feel like the wigs look better if you take your doll's wig off. So I'm not gonna, whoops, I don't really know. See, some of the screens come up white. I don't really know what that means. I've not messed around with that yet. But you can also give them some really cute little glasses. I know, hi kitty, I'm almost done. I'll play with you in just a second. There we go, she looks so cute. And so yeah, that's kind of what the app works like. It's really simple, really fun. There's some sort of like pre-made ones on here too that you can mess around with if you want to. And yeah, it's really cute. I think it's pretty fun for getting into the whole doll customizing world. And I hope that if you like this video, you'll recommend some more dolls and toys that I can unbox for you. Leave a comment in my comment section, and like, subscribe. I always love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day. I know I am going to have a very great day.